Folks, if you cherish the sight of a dandy game of hockey, then you've steered yourself in the right direction. Jim and I are so excited about this one, we can't even speak.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we can, but we're still quite excited.
Naslund plays a little peekaboo with the puck, shoots the puck. Chelios grabs it. Yzerman takes it. Yager corrals it. Jovanovski picks it up. Naslund got it. Nylander gets laid out. Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Plavich. Taken out. Solani gets the pass from Joseph. Yzerman got the puck. Fires it! Denied by Kluche.
His secret? Waxing his stick with goal be gone. Twice a week.
Tongue. Joseph denies him.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Fedorov. It's one-on-one. Solani controls the puck. There's going to be a penalty. Allen will go to the box for high sticking.
He's going to sit down in the penalty box, Jim. But what he doesn't know is we've concealed a tiny camera to record his every movement while he's in there. Rats, where'd that TV monitor go?
Detroit now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Yager jumps on the loose puck. Shanahan has it. Marchment. Tanguay in control now. It's one-on-one. Fedorov gets hold of the puck. Solani gets it. Tanguay shoulders him. Daniel Sedin. Jovanovski. Grattan knocks the puck loose.
That wasn't just a hit, it was a declaration of war.
Heck, will he shoot or dig? Hits a shot. He scores!
Up and at him, Mr. Goalie.
Detroit looks confident in the early going.
Jim, this is a team of winners. They take a freakish pleasure in making this look so easy.
Joseph stoned him.
This goalie mocks such paltry attempts.
Ference with the puck. Bertuzzi. Nylander with shot. Maltby. He scores!
Goalie goes one way, puck goes the other way, but any way you look at it, that was a beauty.
Detroit will try to take this 2-goal lead into the first intermission.
Or as I like to call it, Jim and Don bonding time.
Schaefer hammered!
There was so much turbulence there, I just spilled my roasted almonds.
Robitaille. Fedorov shoots it! Kluche made the glove save. Castles grabs the puck, mowed down.
That hit was the rare breed. Hitus Maximus.
Solani. Cranks one! Klatt gets in the way! Kluche freezes the puck. Nylander, Bertuzzi grabs it. Naslund fires!
The end of the first period brings us to a time I affectionately refer to as the first intermission.
Let's see if their catch-up strategy kicks in.
What catch-up strategy?
Listen carefully, Don. Catch-up strategy.
You and condiments, Jim.
And that's icing. Jovanovski blasts one. Ference gets knocked over.
Oh, and he's thinking, why me?
Maltby. Oates took the puck. Linden grabbed it. Jovanovski stops the shot, and there's a fight going on.
Well, sometimes when you don't have time to stop and chat, a few punches in the head is the best way to put your message across.
Well, it's pretty clear who won that one.
Yep, Jim, for one guy it's success, for the other guy it just hurts.
Nylander, Yzerman holds him up. Shot the puck. Detroit takes it. Yager shoots. He scores!
The puck was yelling, I'm upstairs. Too bad the goalie didn't listen.
Detroit goal. Scored by
Klatt.
number 68, Jaromir Jagr, assisted by number
Lidstrom
5.
grabs the puck. Schaefer gets thrashed. Helmer, quick shot. He takes control of the puck. A delayed penalty call against Lidstrom. Lidstrom gets called for cross-checking.
Jim, when you play hard in a hockey game, sometimes you take penalties.
Vancouver now has a one-man edge.
Let's see if they can make some hay out of this situation.
Make some hay. Haven't heard that since I worked on the prairies.
Hey, where I come from, we want to make hay out of everything.
Klatt was offside. Cook fires it hard. Joseph made the save. Delayed penalty coming up for Vancouver. Cook will get the gate for elbowing.
Oh, look, there goes Mr. Penalty, off to the box. Getting nailed with somebody's elbow probably really hurts. Good reason why elbowing's a penalty.
Vancouver loses a man.
And that has to make their coach an unhappy camper. He was hoping to get a little more mileage from that power play.
Lidstrom has left the box, meaning his team will enjoy a 5-on-4 power play here. Jovanovski shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph. Hecht. Detroit ran out of time on that power play. Oates with a breakaway. Kluche freezes the puck. Fedorov won the faceoff. Brewer shoots. Kluche turned the shot away. Naslund now with the puck. Breakaway. Fires it. Saved by Joseph. Nylander. Joseph makes the pad save. Bertuzzi. One-time shot. Joseph denied him. Solani grabs the puck. Fedorov grabbed it. Robitaille, slap shot. Naslund takes it. Rink-wide pass. Naslund shoots it. Big save.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Oates shoots the puck. Kluche made the brilliant save. Kluche freezes the puck. Klatt. Rocked. Castles jumps on the loose puck. Schaefer. Saved by Joseph. Delayed call against Detroit. Schaefer fires. Saved by Joseph. Ference is going off for interference.
Jim, have you ever noticed how much slower players skate to the penalty box than to the players' bench?
Vancouver has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Yzerman. Nylander with the puck. It's one-on-one. Joseph shut the door.
Saves like that make all your short-handed worries a thing of the past.
Yzerman one-times it. He scores!
Jim, like myself, this goalie's out of his depth here.
Detroit is showing some real grit and follow-through, Don.
At 4 goals up, they have their opponents looking as helpless as a couch potato without the remote control.
Robitaille. Fedorov takes the puck. Fedorov shoots! Saved by Kluche. Kluche freezes the puck. Daniel Sedin. Chubarov now with it. Allen. That's the end of period 2. The Red Wings are flying away with this one.
They're soaring higher than a pack of pterodactyls. You know what's been the most fun about this game so far?
Dare I ask?
This swivel chair. Whee!
Allen scoops up the loose puck. Plavich. Cook scoops it up. Hard shot blocked. Yzerman takes control of the puck. Shanahan. Yager shoots. Kluche made the huge save.
He's got a knack for getting himself in front of shots, Jim. It's a big part of who he is.
Lidstrom. Chelios shoots it hard. Lidstrom nails Cook. Hecht. Chubarov takes possession of the puck. With a slap shot, he scores! Detroit showed a little B-grade defense in an otherwise grade A performance.
Like most solid teams, though, I'm sure they'll rise back up and give as good as they've gotten.
Heck. Smolinski controls the puck. Grattan has it. Hecht picked it up. Blocked. Jovanovski with the puck. Nylander gets checked.
Wow, that one sounded like King Kong falling off a building.
Naslund is in the clear. Joseph makes the save. Chelios gets nailed. Bertuzzi takes control of the puck. He dumps it. Vancouver takes over. Robitaille. Grattan got the puck. Robitaille grabbed it. Robitaille! Schaefer. Platt fires it! Marchment grabs the puck. Brewer gets it. Robitaille grabs it. Solani has it now. Detroit scooped it up. Ferguson shoots it. Kluche made the save. The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit. Oates is going to the box for interference.
On the bright side, there's a lot more room to stretch out in the penalty box. That bench is so squishy.
Vancouver has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal, whatever's easier.
Nylander takes possession of the puck. Oates puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Naslund stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
Fedorov jumps on the loose puck. Oates, Robitaille, has his pocket picked. Bertuzzi.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Oates. Cook scoops up the loose puck.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging.
Last minute of play
Yeah!
in the third period.
Oates rips it. Kluche, close the door. Kluche freezes the puck. Nylander, Yzerman checks him. Kluche, blocker save.
His teammates like to call him El Bloco Grande.
Yzerman takes possession of the puck. Bertuzzi fires! He scores!
Vancouver goal.
Chubara,
Scored
Vancouver
by
is 2 goals down and is going to pull its goalie.
I endorse their strategy. It'll spice things up.
Ferguson, Linden grabs the puck. Oates takes it. Wrist shot from the corner. Nylander gets in the way. Gets the shot off. Blocked. Vancouver puts its second line out. Daniel Sedin dumps the puck in. Detroit gets it. Linden cleared it out. And we're all done here now. Detroit takes away the victory.
Never discount the importance of throwing your weight around. Sometimes getting just a little physical gives you the room you need to make the big play.
For Detroit, number 24, Chris Chelios.